Hello students, welcome to English World Learn Better by Best Experience. This is Heman Nabdaya, English educator at SBM Sarda Vihar, Bhopal. Today I am going to teach you poem number 3, A Tiger in the Zoo, written by Leslie Norris. So listen carefully and try to understand fully. Poem number 3, A Tiger in the Zoo by Leslie Norris. He stalks in his vivid strips the few steps of his cage on pads of velvet quiet in his quiet race. He should be lurking in shadow, sliding through long grass near the water hole where plump deer pass. He should be gnarling around houses at the jungle's edge, bearing his white fangs, his claws terrorizing the blaze. But he is locked in a concrete cell, his strength behind bars, stacking the length of his cage, ignoring visitors. He hears the last voice at night, the patrolling cars, and stares with his brilliant eyes at the brilliant stars. So now come to the explanation. Number 1, condition of caged tiger. It means the tiger is in the cage and moves around under his bright colored skin. He can take only few steps because of a small cage. No one can hear his footsteps because of soft feet like velvet. He is quite angry because he is caged by human beings for their own fun. Number 2, if tiger were free, then what would he do? Means, if tiger were free, then he would hide himself behind long grass near the water bodies, where he could catch his prey or food like plump deer for his food. Number 3, tiger's warning to people. If he were free, then definitely he would warn around the houses. He would warn the people around the houses located at jungle edge. He would terrorize the people also with his sharp teeth and claws. This warning would create fear among the people and they would leave the place. Number 4, helplessness of tiger. Here, poet has described that he is in the cage and the tiger is confined in a strong cell made of a strong building material, and he is behind the bars, so his power is useless. He can't do anything except move in the cage and ignore visitors. Number 5, tiger is sad and can't do anything. Means tiger hears the sound of patrolling cars of guards in the night. We can also use the cars of police. Then he stares at the shining stars with his shining eyes in the night because he is helpless, and he tries to divert his thoughts toward them. That's all. Finally, I am giving you summary and extracts. So go through the summary and extract along with the question answers to score 4 out of 4 marks.